I'm going to show you how to use VoiceThread for the monster activity. What you're going to do is follow this link. It's going to take you to VoiceThread. You'll have to register. I'm already registered, so I'm just going to sign in. And we're going to create a new VoiceThread. We'll upgrade later. I'm going to create, and the way that we're going to do that is add an image. We're going to add an image of a monster by clicking on the URL here on the bottom. And then I'm going to go find a picture of a monster. I googled monster images, and then I'm going to right click on copy image address, and then I'm going to go back to my VoiceThread and paste that right there. There you go. So I'm going to save it. I can title monster, save, and my next step is to comment on my monster. So the way that I would comment is click on plus. I'm going to record my voice. I have to allow my microphone here. 3, 2, 1, and I'm going to talk about body parts. Voy a usar el lápiz rojo para decir, mi monstruo tiene 1, 2, 3, 4 manos. Mi monstruo tiene 1, 2 pies. Mi monstruo tiene un diente, etc. Okay, so following these guidelines, which is you must describe a minimum of 10 different body parts, and then at the end you're going to ask a question about your monster to the class. Then last, after you're finished, stop recording obviously. You can review. I'm going to save it, and then I can close this window up here because now I'm going to share my monster. I'm going to share it. So the way that I do this is I don't want the link, but I want embed, because we're going to embed them onto the discussion post. So I'm going to copy the embed code by clicking here. I'm going to go back to the monster activity on Canvas. Oops, here was an example I used before. And I'm going to click on reply. This time it's a little different. I'm going to have to click over here. Yours might say HTML, but you're just going to click so that what comes up, it says HTML editor, because when we use the embedded code, when I paste the embedded code here, it has to have HTML editor available. So when I post reply, you can see the monster right there. And other students will be able to click on my monster and listen to my monster, listen to my question, and they'll be able to reply to my question by clicking below my monster. If you have any questions, please send me a message in inbox or any other way that you are able to email me, whatever. So good luck. Mucha suerte.